Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Monday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're here on our CEO retreat series with the Coffee with Craig show. So we'll be doing many shows over the next few months, covering places, covering resorts, covering unique locations where you can do CEO kind of meetings, events, and also putting together team building with the senior teams and clients, partners. And this place we're in right now is Hard Rock. We're actually at the Hard Rock Cafe in Maldives, but here is part of the Hard Rock Hotel and Resort called Crossroads. Very good place to hold a CEO retreat. And if you'd like some more information about any of our retreat kind of reviews, let us know. We're always also looking for new locations to show. We have also coming up tomorrow will be what you'll be able to see is just an interview with the general manager of the Hard Rock Resort and Hard Rock Hotel, and some interesting comments he had as well about why you should come here for a holiday, of course, but why you should maybe make a team building or company event here. Very nice. And I think the Maldives, a lot of times from Europe, it always seems so far away, but it's a little closer than you think. Most capitals, there's direct flights. And you get on the flight in the evening, and you've landed in the morning, and you're on the beach in the Maldives. So not a bad spot. Great places for team building, some team activities, whether it's underwater, on the water, on land. A lot of things to see here as well. Anyway, we'll shoot over to Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief for this Monday morning, who is also in beautiful Warsaw, Poland, at our MRP studios, and he will give us the headlines for today, and we'll come right back also with some interesting things, what's going on, a lot happening in the next few weeks, and we'll talk about that. So, Winston, we'll go to you for the headlines.
Good Monday morning, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. My name is Winston Norman, and here are the headlines from the Europroperty.com website for today. Polish investment market under pressure from geopolitical backdrop. Panattoni receives financing for Ruja Śląska asset, and CPT let 60% of new addition to CTB Park, Prague North.
Welcome back, and Winston, great, very interesting headlines. Always good to see what's happening in the news for the region, the Central Eastern European region. Also, just a lot happening on the real estate front. Next week, we'll be in Cannes at MIPIM Real Estate Fair, which we would definitely like to invite all of you to our cocktail party, or actually, it's more of our wine rosé party on our stand. Which is in the minus level of the fair. And we have a small stand, but a good group of active investors, developers that'll be there, some service providers. Come on by for a glass of rosé. Even if you've got just a few minutes, pop on over to say hi. That'll be the Wednesday at 2, from 2 to 3 on our stand downstairs in -1. And you can send us a little note. We'll be happy to put you on the VIP guest list for that, and we have a bit of food, a lot of networking there. Having said that, straight after MIPIM, we have our SCE Real Estate Awards, which is taking place in Bucharest, Romania, at the beautiful Anthony Palace Hotel. Great place, fully remodeled, just recently remodeled, and run by now the Intercontinental Hotel chain. So, a good event to go to, and that's April 17th. Right after that, right before summer, we've got our Baltic Real Estate Awards, which is in the Radisson Hotel in Sopot, and very nice place right on the Baltic Sea, the Polish Riviera, and we're covering, of course, Poland, Hungary, Germany, Denmark, all of Scandinavia, the Nordics, also Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, projects, companies, a lot of investors coming up to that. We guarantee great weather up there on the Baltic Riviera, on the Polish Riviera. So come on up to that. It's in Sopot, Tri-City area at the Radisson. Having said that, we'll now shoot back over to Winston for the news, the final news for the day for this Monday, and also stay tuned for our exclusive interview with the general manager of the Hard Rock Hotel Maldives. So stay safe and enjoy the rest of the day, and we will see you back in the MRP studios. So enjoy the rest of the day. Stay tuned. Stay safe. Welcome to the 19th Annual Europa Properties Southeastern European Real Estate Awards and SCE Forum, held April 17th at the beautifully remodeled Athene Palace Hotel in Bucharest, Romania. With the most active international, regional, and local investors, developers, and property owners attending, this event continues to be the single most important real estate event in the SCE region. Now is the time to book your sponsorship package or corporate table. Place your nominations online now, and for more information, visit our website, which is seerealestateawards.com, or drop me an email or give me a call.
Welcome back. And according to BNP Paribas Real Estate Poland, Poland's economic outlook remains stable, but the global geopolitical situation and high interest rates continue to hamper a quick rebound in commercial property trading and large-scale transactions. BNP reports that 2023's total transaction volume reached nearly 2.1 billion euros. This was the result of the tightening of monetary policies and strong yield decompression across Europe, forcing some investment funds to freeze allocations to commercial real estate and to look for alternative assets. And according to BNP, by the end of 2023, most European bond yields were on a downward trend, but the outbreak of the conflict in the Middle East, which is a major oil supplier, and the fear of rising energy prices and renewed inflation worries were unfavourable for the market. Consequently, the European economic outlook remains uncertain, and the spectre of interest rate hikes is still looming. However, 2024 economic forecasts for Poland look promising, with the country's average annual inflation rate expected to fall to 5%. Moving on, Panattoni has recently started construction of another hall within the Panattoni Park Ruda Śląska 2 development. Now the company has secured financing for the new project and has received 9.4 million euros from Millennium Bank. And the new stage of the development will comprise an area of 16,000 square metres that has been fully leased to Konimpex, a Polish company with global reach involved in the sale and logistics distribution of chemicals and industrial raw materials. And according to Karina Trojanska, Chief Financing and Operating Officer at Poland for Panattoni, last year Panattoni received over 800 million euros in bank financing for the development of our projects, and we are not slowing down. We have just received a loan to construct the third building in Panattoni Park Śląska 2. This is no random location in Silesia. It's a region that's particularly attractive to both tenants and investors. And finally for today, staying in the logistics and warehouse sector, and CTP has signed three 10-year leases in its most sustainable industrial park near Prague, comprising more than 60% of the new 32,000 square metre building that will be delivered by the end of Q2 2024, which is CTP Park Prague North. The tenants of the new project will include the Albert supermarket chain. Another client is Fulfillment.cz, specialising in warehousing and logistics e-commerce, and Momendo, a photovoltaic and heat pump wholesaler. And according to Jakub Kodor, Manager Director and Head of Business Development at CTP in the Czech Republic, we are now realising our vision of modern and sustainable industrial parks with these major tenants who share our values and ambitions. And those are the highlights from the website for today. For more news, please join us again tomorrow. Have a great day.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.